First, Chrome is fast and reliable. It handles heavy web apps, multiple tabs, and cloud-based tools with ease. Whether you're working, studying, or just browsing, Chrome delivers smooth performance without frequent crashes or slowdowns. Another reason is its extensive extension library. From productivity boosters to security tools, Chrome's extensions allow users to customize their browsing experience like no other browser. If you rely on add-ons to get work done faster or stay organized, Chrome has you covered. Chrome also excels in cross-platform compatibility. It works seamlessly on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS, and syncs bookmarks, passwords, and settings across all your devices. This makes switching between devices effortless, perfect for remote workers, students, and freelancers. Security is another area where Chrome shines. With built-in phishing protection, regular updates, and a secure password manager, Chrome keeps your data safe while browsing. Features like safe browsing alerts and site isolation add extra layers of protection, helping prevent malware or harmful websites from affecting your system. Finally, Chrome continues to innovate. Features like AI-assisted browsing, tab grouping, automatic tab freezing, and built-in accessibility tools make browsing smarter and more efficient every year. Even with strong competitors like Edge and Firefox, Chrome remains a step ahead in speed, flexibility, and convenience. If you want a browser that combines speed, security, and endless customization, Chrome is still the best choice in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tech tips and browser hacks.